Welcome to this video on how to remove malware from your smartphone. We will cover how to detect, remove, and stay protected in 2025. What exactly is malware? It's malicious software secretly installed on your phone without your permission. It spies, steals, or damages your device. Common types include viruses, spyware, ransomware, and adware. How does malware get in? This happens through fake apps from unofficial sources, phishing links in messages or social media, and connecting to public Wi-Fi networks run by hackers. It can also come from bad downloads, infected USB charging stations, and spam email attachments. There are several warning signs indicating your phone might be infected. These include fast battery drainage, the phone getting very hot, unexpected ads, and the phone being suddenly slow. Watch for unknown installed apps, unexpected charges, and frequent app crashes or freezing. Step 1. Enable airplane mode. This immediately cuts off the internet connection, preventing malware from sending your data out. This must be the first thing you do. Step 2. Delete suspicious apps. For Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find the suspicious app, and tap Uninstall. For iPhone, go to Settings, General, then Storage. Find the app and tap Delete App. After deletion, restart your phone. Step 3. Run a security scan. Use a trusted antivirus app like Malwarebytes, Avast Mobile, or Bitdefender to scan your phone and remove any remaining threats. Choosing a reliable app is essential for this step. Step 4. Clear cache and browser data. For apps, go to Settings, Apps, select each app, and clear the cache. Repeat for all applications. For browser data, open Chrome or Safari, go to Privacy, select Clear Browsing Data, and confirm Clear. Step 5. Update your phone and apps. Updates patch security holes that malware exploits. For Android, go to Settings, System, and Software Update. For iPhone, go to Settings, General, and Software Update. Always keep your phone up to date. Step 6. Change all your passwords. Malware may have stolen your passwords, so you must change them now. Prioritize highest risk accounts like email and banking, then move to high risk accounts like social media and shopping, and finally, medium-risk accounts like gaming and streaming. Step 7. Factory reset, your last resort. First, back up your contacts, photos, and files to Google or iCloud. Then, go to Settings, General Management, Reset, and select Factory Data Reset. Do not restore from a potentially infected backup. Step 8. Enable built-in protection. For Android, open the Play Store, go to Menu, Play Protect, and run a scan. For iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and enable lockdown mode if necessary. Also, ensure Face or Touch ID is active. Here is a summary of the 8-step action plan. Airplane mode. Delete bad apps. Run antivirus. Clear cache. Update phone. Change passwords. Factory reset, last resort, and enable protection. Remember, the factory reset is only if all else fails. To stay safe, prevention is key. Only install apps from official stores and avoid unknown links. Never use public Wi-Fi for banking. Always keep your phone updated. Check app permissions. Backup data regularly, and use strong unique passwords with 2FA. Is Android or iPhone safer? Both can get malware. Android has Google Play Protect and more antivirus options, but is more open. iPhone is a closed system with a strict app store and sandboxing. Ultimately, safe behavior matters more than the phone brand. You are protected if you follow these steps. Remove suspicious apps, run a trusted antivirus scan, change passwords after an infection, and always remember that prevention is your best protection. Stay smart, stay safe, and stay protected.